Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today's video is called English at the Library, Slow and Easy English for Beginners. In this video, you will watch a story about two Japanese university students, Ken and Mina. They visit a public library together, talk about how to use the library, and study English in a quiet and peaceful place. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. This will help you understand the story and improve your English listening skills. Here is today's question. Why do some books have plastic covers on them? The answer is mentioned in the conversation between Ken and Mina. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section in English. By writing English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Hi, Ken. Sorry I'm late.
No problem, Mina. I just got here too.
This library is really big. I've never been here before.
Yes, it is. It's one of the biggest public libraries in our city.
Can anyone enter this library?
Of course, public libraries are open to everyone. You don't need to pay anything to go inside.
That's wonderful. So everyone can use it for free?
Yes, exactly. You can read books here or borrow them to take home.
I like that idea. Libraries are quiet and peaceful places to study.
I agree. I come here often when I need to focus on my homework.
Do many people come here on weekends?
Yes, quite a few. Students like us come to study, and families come to find books for their children.
That's nice. I think libraries are important because everyone can access knowledge freely here.
You're absolutely right. Libraries give everyone equal opportunities to learn.
Whether you are rich or poor, you can come here and read books.
Exactly. That's why public libraries are so valuable to our community.
I'm excited to go inside and see what they have.
Me too. Let's go in and explore.
Wow, it's so spacious inside, and it's very quiet.
Yes, people usually speak in whispers here. We should keep our voices down.
I understand. I'll be quiet. Look at all these bookshelves.
There are thousands of books here, maybe even more than 10,000.
How do people find the book they want?
There are computers over there where you can search for books. You type in the title or the author's name.
That sounds convenient. What if the book is not here?
Then you can ask the librarian. Sometimes they can order it from another library.
Really? That's a helpful service.
Yes, many libraries work together to help people find books.
I notice some books have plastic covers on them. Why is that?
Those are reference books. You can read them here, but you cannot take them home.
Oh, I see. So some books can only be read in the library.
That's right. Important materials like encyclopedias or rare books must stay here.
What about regular books? Can we borrow those?
Yes, most regular books can be borrowed. You can take them home for about 2 weeks.
2 weeks sounds like enough time to read a book.
It usually is, but if you need more time, you can sometimes extend the borrowing period.
How many books can one person borrow at a time?
I think it's about 5 or 6 books, but it depends on the library's rules.
That's a good number. I usually can't read more than that in 2 weeks anyway.
Me neither. Let's go find some interesting books.
Here's the English learning section. There are so many books here.
Yes, this library has a good collection of English materials.
I'm looking for a book with simple stories for beginners.
Let me help you. What level do you want?
Something easy to understand, with pictures if possible.
How about this one? It's a collection of short stories with illustrations.
Oh, this looks perfect. But I wish they had another book I saw online.
You know, you can request that the library buy a specific book.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, most libraries have a purchase request system. You fill out a form with the book's information.
And then they buy it?
Well, not always. They consider your request, but they can't buy every book people ask for.
I understand. They probably have a budget to think about.
Exactly. They choose books that will be useful for many people.
That makes sense. Popular books or important reference books probably get priority.
Right. But it's still worth trying if there's a book you really want.
I'll remember that. Maybe I'll fill out a request form later.
The forms are usually at the front desk. Just ask the librarian.
Thank you for telling me. This library system is more flexible than I thought.
Libraries want to serve their community well.
I appreciate that. Let me look at a few more books here.
Take your time. I'll check out the history section nearby. Did you find something interesting?
Yes, I found 2 good books. I think I'll borrow both of them.
Great choice. By the way, I was just thinking about something.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about libraries in other countries. They can be quite different from ours.
Really? How are they different?
Well, for example, in Finland, some libraries let you borrow more than just books.
What else can you borrow?
You can borrow musical instruments, tools, and even video game consoles.
That's amazing. I would love to try that.
I know, right? It's a really creative way to share resources in a community.
So people don't have to buy expensive things they might only use once.
Exactly. It helps people save money and reduces waste.
What a wonderful idea. Are there other interesting examples?
Yes, in France, libraries often have exhibitions and special events.
Like art exhibitions?
Yes, and also author talks, workshops, and cultural activities.
So it's not just about borrowing books, it's a cultural center.
That's right. Libraries in many countries are becoming community hubs.
I think that's a great evolution. Libraries can do so much more than store books.
Definitely. They bring people together and create opportunities for learning and sharing.
It's interesting how different countries use libraries in different ways.
Yes, but they all share the same basic goal:
What's that goal?
to provide knowledge and opportunities to everyone, regardless of their background.
That's beautiful. Libraries really are special places.
I agree. Now, should we find a quiet spot to sit and look at these books?
Yes, let's do that. This seat is comfortable.
Yes, and the light is good here too.
I'm going to start reading this English story.
That sounds good. Remember to take it slowly.
I will. Sometimes I get frustrated when I don't understand everything.
That's normal. You don't have to understand every single word.
Really?
Yes, really. Even when we read in Japanese, we sometimes skip words we don't know.
That's true. I never thought about it that way.
The important thing is to keep reading and enjoying the story.
I'll try to focus on the overall meaning instead of every word.
That's a good strategy. You'll improve naturally over time.
Thank you for the encouragement.
You're welcome. Learning a language takes time and patience.
How long have you been studying English?
Many years, but I'm still learning new things every day.
That makes me feel better. It's a lifelong journey, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. But that's what makes it interesting.
I like that perspective.
Now let's study quietly for a while. If you have questions, you can whisper to me.
Okay, I'll do my best.
And remember, this library is a perfect place to learn. It's quiet, comfortable, and full of resources.
You're right. I feel very focused here.
Good. Let's make the most of our time here.
I will. Thank you for bringing me here today.
My pleasure.
What's this box in the wall?
That's the return box. You can return books through this slot.
Oh, I see. So you don't have to give books directly to the librarian?
That's right. You can use this box anytime, even when the library is closed.
Really? That's very convenient.
Yes, it's especially helpful if you're busy during library hours.
So I can return books at night or early in the morning?
Exactly. The box is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
That's wonderful. But can you return any book through this box?
Well, not exactly. You can return most regular books this way.
But not all books?
No, some special materials shouldn't be returned through the box.
Like what?
Things like DVDs, CDs, or very large books might get damaged in the box.
Oh, I understand. Those items are more fragile.
Yes, and it's better to return them directly to the staff during opening hours.
That makes sense. I'll remember that.
Also, you should check the due date before you return books.
Why is that important?
If you return books late, you might have to pay a small fine.
How much is the fine?
It depends on the library, but usually it's about 10 yen per day for each book.
That's not too expensive, but I still want to avoid it.
Of course, the best thing is to return books on time.
I'll set a reminder on my phone when I borrow books.
That's a smart idea. Many people do that.
What happens if you lose a book?
Then you usually have to pay for the book's replacement cost.
I see. So we need to take good care of borrowed books.
Absolutely. These books belong to everyone in the community.
You're right. We're just borrowing them temporarily.
Exactly. That's why library rules exist.
I feel really productive after studying here today.
Me too. I finished reading 2 chapters of my history book.
Libraries are such special places, aren't they?
Yes, they really are. Even though they're quiet, they're full of life and knowledge.
I like how you put that. quiet on the outside, but rich on the inside.
Exactly. And everyone is welcome here, no matter who they are.
That's what I love most about public libraries. They don't judge people.
Right. Whether you're a student, a worker, or retired, you can come here and learn.
It's truly a place that serves the whole community.
And it's free. That's the most important part.
Yes, knowledge should be accessible to everyone.
Libraries make that possible.
I'm really glad we came here today.
I'm glad too. Did you enjoy the English books you found?
Yes, very much. I can't wait to read them at home.
Take your time with them. Remember, learning is a gradual process.
I will, and I won't worry if I don't understand everything right away.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you for teaching me so much about the library today.
You're welcome. I learned a few things too from our conversation.
Like what?
Like how libraries in other countries do things differently. It made me think about how libraries could evolve here too.
That would be exciting. Maybe one day we can borrow more than just books.
Maybe. Change happens slowly, but it happens.
I hope so. Anyway, shall we come back here next weekend?
That sounds like a good plan.
We can explore different sections next time.
Yes, there's still so much we haven't seen.
The library is like a treasure chest waiting to be opened.
I like that comparison.
Well, let's head home for now.
Okay, let's walk to the station together.
Sounds good.
How was the story? I hope this video helped you enjoy English and learn something new at the same time. Now, let's go back to the question from the beginning. Why do some books have plastic covers on them? The answer was mentioned in the story. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in English in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, using everyday situations like libraries, studying, and daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you liked the story, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your support really motivates me. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.